Hello! AnimaPIC has a library of gestures, so you can animate your characters just by dragging and dropping these gestures onto the timeline. To function as well as possible, characters must be drawn in a specific position. For a humanized bipedal character, they should be drawn standing upright and facing forward, as if they were looking directly at you. The head should be straight. Do not draw the character with his head turned to the side. The arms should be slightly open, a little away from the torso. The legs should be slightly apart. Do not draw the arms over other parts of the body or with the legs crossed. The character's feet should point in the same direction. This will improve your walking motion. If your character speaks in your animation, you can draw it without a mouth. This way, you can choose a mouth from the mouth library to do lip sync, synchronizing mouth movements with speech. But you can draw the mouth and then erase it in AnimaPIC. A four-legged character, such as a dog, should be drawn facing right. The legs cannot overlap. These guidelines will help you when setting up the character's skeleton. If possible, draw with strong outlines. This will help you when removing the background from your drawing. For the scenes, you can draw them completely, or draw the separate elements on a blank sheet of paper. Scan or photograph the drawings and then upload them to your project.